Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of December 2 through the 8th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner, getting really close to the end. For this week, I'm using this kit from Minivan Dreams or City Girl Farm Life. This is her Christmas Woodland kit, which I am excited to use. I do have to pull in a couple extra things. I have a brown zebra mile binder just to put in the dates on here, and then I pulled this super skinny washi from Amazon to go along the top, and then I pulled these two that I think are both from Dollar Tree to go through the middle and the bottom. So I think that's all the stuff that I need to pull in right now. So I'm gonna put down the headers, the bottom washi, the date covers, and then I will be back so that we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we are at so far. I think it's looking pretty good. I like the little bit of teal mixed in for the kind of wintry vibes. To start out with, for all the boxes, etc., it only comes with 7 like true full boxes. However, there's a lot of these like open boxes here. So that's what I'm going to use for my quote box, is one of those. My husband did help me get all of my printer settings fixed, so now everything is actually printing at the proper size, which is great. And then I'm going to stick into this box some of this like deco from the very bottom of the sheet. I don't think you can even see some of it. But I'm going to stick in like the little deer. I think that's cute. Then I think I'm going to use this little guy up here. Okay, that looks pretty cute. There. Now I have 7 full boxes, which I think are going to be pretty easy to place, as I feel like a lot of them are just going to place themselves by virtue of wanting to alternate. So I have 3 green and 4 white, and I'm just going to alternate. So I'm going to stick this one in as my center box. I do have a couple scrappy scraps to clean up. My headers are a little too tall, these two, but what I'm going to do is just align with the bottom header. I think this box is actually somehow slightly long. Okay, I'm going to put it slightly down, and there. Okay, that works out pretty okay. And I'm gonna wing it and hope that I'm like pretty close on the alignment for all of these. So I'm gonna do a little overlap with each. Perfect. And then this is the last of the green ones, which is gonna go here on Saturday. There we go. And then I don't think that the order of these super matters. I'm going to stick the deer in the 2 center spots to kind of separate it from that guy that I just put in as the quote box. If I could just get the little scrappy scraps to let go of this one, that would be fabulous. There we go. There's that one. And then a few more scrappy scraps, all trying to attack me. Trim that one up. And then that's going to put me at one here. There we go. And then one over here. Like so. All right. That actually looks quite cute. For the sidebar, I don't actually need a lot, I feel like, at this point in the month. So I'm just gonna fill in a couple of things. So first off, I'm gonna stick a little row of washi in just to kind of divide things up a little bit. And then I am going to stick in some deco. Here we go. It's like just slightly too wide. So I'm going to kind of diagonalify. I think that's close enough there. And then I am going to stick in one of these boxes, which I'm going to put in whatever needs to go into this week once I get there. So perhaps a to-do list. Perhaps I will put in my food. Not totally sure, but that's going to go in there. And then I'm going to finish it off with some additional deco down here. Just to kind of fill in the space a little bit. I think the bunny one will fit as well. There we go. And then I just have a little bit of deco left here if I have some space left. I think that turned out pretty cute. Moving on to the weekdays. First off, I need to mark work. I think for this week, I'm going to use this Creative Cavern Studio planners for work. I think that's going to actually be the best bet. So I'm just going to put in a few colors that kind of go with the colors that are in this spread. I'm going to set aside a brown and then maybe like this mint green, I think will work for the second half of the week so that I don't have to keep track of this. The next thing is my videos. So I think I'm going to use these Creative Cavern Studio guys. Oh, I have a video a day. All right, still going to do it. So I'm just going to mark in a little video every day for Plannermas. There we go. And then this one. All right, there we go. And then down here, I am going to pull in one of these boxes. I think maybe this one. And this is gonna mark my curling on Tuesday night. I don't have anything else scheduled for Wednesday. Now we have Thursday and Friday for work. Thursday and Friday. Why did I not pull out more of these? I don't know how I'm going to mark videos in future weeks for this whole month because these guys are pretty tall, but I think it's going to be fine for here. Stick in here and here. Okay. And then I also have curling again down here. So I'm going to stick that in. All right. And that's, I think, all I know. So I do still have a few boxes and miscellaneous things left, which I'm going to throw here for once I get to filling out the week. But this is what the pre-planning is looking like. I think it's looking pretty cute, fun, and colorful, and perfect for the season. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out pretty cute. Definitely very like wintry and woodsy, which is great. If I don't mention it did come from the kit from City Girl Farm Life or Minivan Dreams, the Christmas Woodland kit. I did use everything up in here. So this is now gonna go in the garbage with all of the little scrippy scraps. So everything was like a hair too big, but I think it turned out okay, and I think it looks pretty cute. So the pen along the top is a zebra mild liner. This skinny washi is from Amazon, as is this washi, and then this one's from Dollar Tree. So all of these little planners are from Creative Cavern Studio. So are all the little aspens with the YouTube logos. This little taco guy is from an Agenda 52 sticker book I got at Hobby Lobby several years ago. You can see I trimmed off the top of all of these boxes down here to make them fit, but that did make it work out. So I'm just gonna stick with that. I already talked about those. This leftover is so old, I honestly don't even know where it came from. This is another sticker from that Agenda 52 book. Already talked about these. Another one from that Agenda 52 book. This is a leftover from My Planner Life UK. And then everything else came from the kit, or I already talked about. So pretty good use, I think, of everything, and I'm glad that I used up the kit. I do like how the spread turned out, and I like that it's kind of woodsy and wintry rather than super Christmassy here for the start of December. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or if you don't have anything that you want to leave me a little squirrel emoji to say hi. I'd love to hear from you. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.